Regular. Anong bang room to? Standard. And then, try ko i-book yung isa kaso wala na eh. Puno na eh. So, there. We're in Novotel. Sige. Tapos yan. Spacious naman siya. May sofa na pwedeng gawing bed. And then, may king size bed. And then, there is a closet. Yan. Walking, looking for lunch. Itong lunch, this is Rustics. So, parang siyang KFC. And ito yung cola nila. Everest Cola. Oh, saan ka pa? Yan si Mother. Si Michael. Actually, ang total niya is 900 something, no? Around 1,000 rubles. So, para siyang 32 something dirhams comparable. So, mas mura kumpara sa pag bumili ka ng pagkain sa UAE. The burger. Hindi ko malaman kasi in-order na lang namin dahil ito na lang yung baraan na magkakaintindihan kami. And then there's fries. And then kay Mama, shrimp teriyaki. So yan guys, lalakad-lakad na kami. And syempre may mga konting snow. Ayan. Ingat. Actually, wala kami makita ng camping. Hindi naman siya super aesthetic. Pero nakita lang kami ng yellow. So nagpa-picture kami. Ayan. So ayan o. Merong konting snow. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Pero may pa-konting snow. Ayan. Lakad-lakad lang kami. Wala guys. Tingnan nyo yan. Ayan guys. Tingnan nyo yan. Look. May yelong naninigas. So that's a church actually. Guys, we're here at the supermarket. Naghahanap kami ng tubig. Wala kami makita ng tubig. Say hello to the video. Ikaw muna be.
Ako.
Si Mama. Ma.
Hi.
Yan, so lalabas kami.
Hi, Moscow. Hi, teachers. Pabiyais. Here I am. Balut na balut. Malamig kasi.
So, yan. Time check. 5:09.
Check.
Tapos, Ganito na ang itsura niya sa labas. Madilim kasi ang sunset kanina ay 3:49 PM. So madilim na. So ayan, nalabas lang kami. Ayan. Hello. Wait lang po, video to. Guys, we're going to the metro kasi pupunta kami ng Red Square. So ayan. Hello. Ups, adjust tayo. May tao sa likod. Bye. So guys, we're going to the metro. So this is the metro near our hotel. So ayan. Bahala na pa namin siya ma-figure out. Guys, I'm buying the metro card. Si Michael lang nag-control. We have the change. Ayan guys, we made it to the train station. So ayan. We made it to the train station. We're waiting for the next train. Dati yan kami nagmamadali. This is the train station na malapit sa hotel namin. So ayan guys, we made it to Qutni Riyadh. Magpupunta kayo dito, download nyo Yandex Metro. At least alam nyo saan kayo pupunta yan, no? Parang ganyan. So sasabihin nila kung saan station, tapos saan ka bababa, ilang stops. Yun nga lang magugugol. May English translation naman minsan, so yun. And guys, we made it outside the metros. Ayan. Look at all the lights. Pupunta kami Red Square. Look at all the lights. So pretty. So we're here at a shop. Gusto mo ni mama tumingin ng keychain, keychain ng ref magnet. There. So masok, pumayag si ate girl na makuha namin yung video ng shop niya.
Like this at the
yan. Guys, we are now in Red Square. Yan. With Christmas markets and stuff. So pretty, the lights. Wow. You know, we're here. Look at those guys. There's lang Christmas market and then there's the carousel. And then marami silang ganap doon sa gitna. So that's where we are going. Bye. Hello kayo ni mama. Hello. Yan. Ma-under na yung carousel guys. See. Yan. Sige, isa ako nagtatry mag-story. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Story pa more. Look at the tree. And another tree. And the other things. And the carousel. And then si Michael. Be, interview time. Ano masasabi mo sa pinuntahan natin today?
Malamig.
Ayan, okay. Ayan, kitang-kita yung ano. Ayan, malamig technically. Oh, look at these Christmas ornaments. Good time. Ayan. Si Mama sa si Michael. Ayan. Si Mother ay inaantay namin. Magpipicture kami. Picturean namin siya. Wow. Uy, ang ganda. Nagbe-blink yung ano. Well, sa video, nagbe-blink. Pero in real life, hindi pa siya nagbe-blink. Ganda. That's so nice. So, here's the soup. We're now waiting for the sausage. And si Mother. Ayan. Food. We have sausage. We have soup. Ayan. Ito yung view. Ayan. Ma, hello.
Hey, hello.
Yan. Be, hello.
Hi.
Yan. Yan. Our dinner. Yan. Soup and then sausage.
Red Square.
Lamig nga eh. So we're buying churros, guys. Look at that churros. And it's big. No, taste test ba? Ikaw muna, taste test. Okay. What can you say? Taste test. What can you say? Yummy? Puma?
Yummy.
Mm.
Nakita yung gasa ng Nutella. Taste bud.
Got this. Tea. Moscow tea. 300 plus.
Wine pala yung
Yun nga. Alam mo, kalas.
This is wine, right? Wine? Yes. Wine.
Ayaw man.
Oh.
So we got ano yan? Hot mulled wine, something. So it's nice. Yan. There you go. Yan guys. Dito ako sa Bolshoi Theater. Si Mother. May show yung ano, building. Guys, we just left yung Chum Mall. So yan, nandito na kami sa labas. I think sa parang right hand side niya. Yan. So ang daming mga Christmas lights, ang daming hanash, which is very nice. Ang ganda. Yan, so time to look for the metro. Kasi para makauwi na kami. It's cappuccino. Yan, so good morning, breakfast time. And birthday ko pala today.
Ganda na celebrate.
So yan ang initial food namin. Yan, morning kobe. Morning and breakfast time. And then there's coffee. Yan si mama nakain. And then si Michael ay nagkakape pa din. Yan. Got some porridge too. Yan. Ang daming version ng egg. From scrambled to fried egg. And then chicken nuggets. And then there is also sausage. And so we have cottage cheese, pancake, another sausage, and then croissant. Yan, si si Mama.
eh.
And it's Michael. Na mukhang naka-turtleneck talaga. Si Mother, nagpe-picture. Ang taga-picture, si Michael. Are, ayan. Bakit for YouTube. Wow! So pretty. I don't know why it's pretty. State Historical Museum. Ano masasabi mo?
Saan?
Sa lugar na to.
Maganda.
Akala ko wala siya masabi.
Tawag dito. Classic environment.
Ayun.
Yung Moscow, historical, classic, and people are friendly. Everything in an instant. Every 2 minutes, the train arrives. That's all.
Guys, ang lamig. Nalamig na yung kamay ko. Ayan. Ito pala out. Ayan. And guys, we're on the way to St. Basil's Cathedral. So, ayan. Photo up lang kami sa harapan. So, ito. Kaya nga eh. Look. Guys, can't believe I'm seeing this in real life. Look at that. Nakita niyo yung cathedral. Like, that thing. Lalapit kami doon. Ang ganda niya. Wow, look at that guys. Ang ganda-ganda. That's St. Basil's Cathedral. This is the Kremlin. So it's just very nearby the cathedral. So yan. This is the Kremlin. So isa siya malaking compound actually. Yung buong red wall na yan. Tapos may mga something sila sa inside. Like meron din mga cathedral sa loob. So yan. So dito halos lahat ng turista today. So dito kami sa Red Square. So ito yung sa mga tao. Ang ganda. At ang lamig. Hello! Ayun nyo ay nagta-testing ng camera 360 sa 360. Ayan. Kanina pa kami dito, hindi na natapos sa picture namin kasi ang ganda niya. There's so many people actually. Ayan. Dito kami sa may Christmas market malapit sa St. Basil's Cathedral. Look at that. Alright, see? Everything is so pretty and so festive. Some hot tea. Yan. Lamig kasi kaya order kami hot tea. So what we ordered, may kasamang honey. Background yung parang. Tingin ka dito, Ben. Hello? Mama, nagsa-cellphone. Since labas na kami ulit ng market, so pasok kami ng Gum Mall para lang mainitan si mother. This is Gum Mall. Well, technically malapit dun sa entrance, and look how beautiful it is. Sa siyang department store. Ayan, I know, mall. So it's Gum. So pretty. We're currently still at Gum Mall. Sa tapat ng Dior. And yan. We found a bench for us to sit in. So lalakarin namin yan later to see the other things. Pero you know, ganda. Find the staircase. Ayan. Ayan pala, Elev. Pa. Ay, wait lang. Magpipicture lang daw muna si mother. Ay, oh, maganda yung may Christmas tree, oh. Sige, malakad ka po. Ganda, oh. Wow. Oo. Wow. Wow. See? Look at that. So pretty. Look at this Christmas tree. Tignan nyo, may mga train ornaments. Look, ang cute! Oh, diba? Laks makaka-Hogwarts. Look at it, guys. Ang dami-daming version ng mga Christmas tree. Oh, sorry. And it seems like... Ay, ang ganda nito! Yung kanya-kanyang shop nag-design ng kanyang Christmas tree. Video stuff lang. Look at that, guys. Ay! Si Michael, be! Ito yung dapat bili mo. Ganyan, no? Ganyan. Christmas ornaments and stuff. Christmas market just right outside ng Red Square. So yan, una niya makikita sa Santa Claus, and then yan, may Christmas tree here. Cute to, talaga may snow yung mga leaves o saan ka pa. Yan. Yan. Look, daming Christmas ornaments. Si mother, picture. Wawa naman. Yan. And then mga Christmas markets. Oh, sorry. Look at that, so cute. He's so cute. Oh, may Carlalo ulit, oh. Look at this. This is so cute. It's purple. See? It's wonderful. And si mother, oh, busy mag-video. Guys, we're here at Gorky Park. Ay, ito na nga. Yan yung entrance. So this is Gorky Park. So yan. Look at that Christmas tree. It's in blue. And that entrance. Wow. They're pretty. Entrance to Gorky Park. And yung Christmas tree. And entrance ng Gorky Park. Yan. Actually, tawa kami sa tree na to. Kanina pa kami nandito para sa Christmas tree na to. Diba? O, saan ka pa? Gorky Park. Entrance. Grabe yung mga ano po mga snow. Yung mga damo. Yung mga snow. Pero maambon. Besh, gusto ko tumigil yung ambon. Grabe yun ang kapal lo ng snow. Part of the Christmas dinner. Next order is carbonara. That's the carbonara. Carbonara na kay Michael. Yan. Masarap? Sarap daw. Good rating nga tong restaurant na to actually. Yan. Christmas dinner. Birthday / Noche Buena. Tapos may naman ravioli, spinach and creamy sauce. The healthy ko no. Tiramisu for birthday. Masarap. Dinner is done. Ayan, si Mama, si Michael, and ang ubos na tiramisu. Dito kami ng Christmas dinner and birthday dinner. El Pizzaiolo sa may Arbat Street dinner. Lalakad kami dito sa Arbat Street. Yan. Tayo mga like Christmas tree. And yan. Tayo mga lights, restaurants and shops. May parang malaking Christmas ball. Oh. Saan pa kayo? Gusto mo nga, no? Tignan? Daming Christmas trees. Look at all those Christmas tree. Ayan. Supermarket run. There's some chocolates. We're looking for chips para kainin namin sa hotel. Bundaberg. Look at these chocolates. Well, technically, mahal pa rin. Kita namin siya, guys. Hindi naman ko alam kung ano to, pero tigman natin.